Hey everybody, welcome back to Brent's Backyard Redneckery. You know, I was thinking, there's a lot of gardening channels on YouTube, and a ton of them I've learned a lot from. I've used some of the things in the garden to grow this, grow that, get my tomatoes, you know, less bug eatery, more bug resistance-free. How to grow them bigger, how to grow companion planting, how to do this, how to do that. One thing that I noticed, I don't think I've seen a video showing what to expect before you plant. And it's ugly. It's really ugly, because at the end of the season, you got tired of gardening. You don't want to do anything. You look at it and go, God, I can't look at that anymore. So today I'm going to give you a tour around my main garden, let you see what you're going to probably expect. Unless, of course, at the end of the season, you burn it all down, which I might do in another video. We'll see. All right, so sit back, and I'll tell you, well, not what you need to do, but what you're going to find. Let's look at it. I built this in 2020, and this will be my third year gardening in here. So this is what you're going to be looking at whenever you go to be ready to start again your next spring. Got all this crap. I mean, look at this. Just garbage. And the root on that. Yep. So my plan today is to do like I've done before. What I did with my sorghum patch that's way back there. I'm gonna mow this down. The bigger stuff that is like this wild lettuce here, I'm gonna dig that stuff up. Quite a bit of it. It's growing everywhere. I'm gonna dig all that up, retill, see what we got. All right, so I hope you guys learned something today, that you don't get discouraged by looking at this. It's quite easy just to plow it up and start all over again for the next season, and that's one thing I always look forward to. Like, you know, I look at it and I just go, God, this is so terrible. I'm so discouraged. And then I clear it out and I'm ready to roll again. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Come back next time. I'll tell you what you need to do. Y'all have a good one.